Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish XP farm in Minecraft Bedrock. First, gather your basic materials, a chest, a hopper, and a water bucket. Begin by digging a 2-block deep hole. Place your chest at the very bottom, then position a hopper directly above it, ensuring it feeds into the chest. This forms the core of your collection system, ready for the next steps. Next, we'll set up the water flow. Place a water source block directly above your hopper. This creates a stream that will guide caught fish and items. Now, build a small, elevated platform where you'll stand to fish. Make sure the water current efficiently pushes all dropped items directly into the hopper below. This setup is crucial for maximizing your experience gain.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Minecraft tips. Quick recommendation, on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a fresh ride. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the automatic fishing mechanism. You'll need a tripwire hook, string, and a note block. Place a note block, then a pressure plate on top. Position the tripwire so your fishing rod casts when you stand in the right spot, hitting the note block. This clever setup allows you to fish automatically, collecting experience and items without constant manual input, making it highly efficient. To optimize your farm, use an enchanted fishing rod. Lure 3 and Luck of the Sea 3 are ideal for faster catches and better loot. As you fish, you'll collect experience orbs, which are automatically added to your level. You'll also gather various types of fish, perfect for cooking and other valuable items. Remember to repair your rod with mending to keep it going.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.